If you're monetizing on YouTube, it's important that your channel follows YouTube monetization policies. These include policies described below, as well as YouTube's community guidelines, terms of service, copyright, rights clearance adjustment policies, and Google AdSense program policies. Welcome to OceanBlue IT Studio. Today we are talking about YouTube monetization. These policies apply to anyone in or looking to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Shorts monetization policies also apply if you're monetizing shorts on YouTube. All content monetizing with ads must follow our Advertiser-Friendly Content Guidelines. To earn revenue from fan funding features, first-time users must accept the Commerce Product Module, CPM, before turning on the individual features. You must also follow the Commerce Products Monetization policies when monetizing with fan funding features. Here's a quick overview of each major policy. Make sure you read each policy thoroughly, as these policies are used to check if a channel is suitable to monetize. Our reviewers regularly check to see whether monetizing channels follow these policies. Learn more about how YouTube enforce our policies. Keep in mind that when YouTube uses the term video on this page, it refers to shorts, long-form videos, and live streaming. These policies apply wherever videos are viewed, including the watch page, pages within YouTube, YouTube Music, or YouTube Kids, the YouTube Video Player that embeds YouTube content on other sites, and the YouTube Shorts player that makes shorts available. What YouTube check when YouTube review your channel? Our reviewers check content that best represents your channel against our policies. Since our reviewers can't check every video, they may focus on your channel's main theme. Most viewed videos, newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata, including titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. The above are just examples of content our reviewers may assess. Note that our reviewers can and may check other parts of your channel to see whether it fully meets our policies. Follow the YouTube community guidelines, follow AdSense program policies, quality principles for kids and family content, creator responsibility, creator integrity, how YouTube will inform you of policy changes, how YouTube enforce YouTube monetization policies. Anyone who earns money on YouTube must follow YouTube's channel monetization policies. If you violate any of our policies, YouTube may take the actions outlined below. Withhold, adjust, charge back, or offset earnings or payment limit ad revenue from your videos. Suspend your participation in the YouTube Partner Program. Suspend or even terminate your YouTube channel. How YouTube will inform you of actions that affect your monetization. How to get help with issues that affect you. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can get access to our creator support team. Whether you're facing a specific problem or you want to find out how to get the most out of YouTube as a creator, YouTube are here to help you. Optimize how you use YouTube. Get tips on technical or service aspects of YouTube. Find out how to navigate policy and copyright guidelines. Get answers on account and channel management questions. Resolve content ID and rights management issues. Troubleshoot and fix bugs or issues with your account. You can find more detailed instructions to contact creator support and how to get help as a YouTube creator.